Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely Dark Milk. So let's just take a look at its paper wrapper. So in this packet is a Tony's Chocolonely Dark Milk chocolate bar. And just taking a look at the details around the paper wrapper. There is some product information as well as ingredients and nutritional information at the back or underside of this chocolate bar wrapper. And this chocolate bar has a weight of 180 grams. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, peeling open the outer paper wrapper to reveal the contents inside. So as we can see, there is some printing on the inside of the paper wrapper with Tony's Chocolonely's mission. And just setting that paper wrapper to the side and focusing on the inner foil-wrapped chocolate bar. So you can see that it does have an aluminium wrapper keeping the chocolate bar freshly packed. Now let's open it up. And tearing that foil open. And just giving you a look at this big bar of chocolate as it is. And of course this is the back or underside of the chocolate bar with the smooth base or surface. And now flipping it over so we can see the top side. There we can see the uneven sections or segments of this chocolate bar, and of course the Tony's Chocolonely's logo or branding, as well as a broken chain link to represent the slave-free ethics of Tony's Chocolonely's business. So giving you a look at the overall details before I start handling it. And I'm just giving you a further out look at the chocolate bar. And now lifting the 180 gram big bar of chocolate and giving you a much closer up look. So this is the dark milk chocolate bar. And just giving you the overall details up close. And we can see those clearly defined, uneven or irregular sections of chocolate right throughout this entire chocolate bar. Right there, giving you another look further out. And of course the thickness or height of the chocolate bar, so it does have that substantial chunky molding of the overall size and dimensions of this chocolate bar, you can see. And of course the color of this dark milk chocolate bar. And now let's go ahead and break off a piece in the corner, and you can hear that sharp snap right there, and right across that consistent texture, given that it is just a pure dark milk chocolate bar with no fillings. So giving you a much closer up look at the cross section of the chocolate bar and its broken off piece, along of course with the main or bigger piece of the chocolate bar. Okay, so just setting the big block down and now breaking off a smaller piece from the already broken off corner of the chocolate bar, so we have a taste. So right there, giving you another look. I'm going to pop the smaller piece in my mouth and taste it. So it does have a sticky, creamy taste with a very slight hint of dark. I'd say the flavor is closer to a milk chocolate than a dark, intense or bitter flavor. Let's break off another piece and taste the bigger portion of it for a better idea of the flavor once again. So once again, that very, very creamy and sticky texture of this Tony's Chocolonely dark milk chocolate bar. And of course that was a bigger piece that I just tried, which was the second piece. And it does have that slight hint of coconut to it, even though it's not on the ingredients list, but very, very distinctive of Tony's Chocolonely's chocolates. So that's Tony's Chocolonely's dark milk chocolate bar. Thanks for watching and happy eating!